locally pronounced Kalahandi, is a district of Odisha. The region had a glorious past and great civilization in ancient times. In South Asia, it is believed that the land of Kalahandi district and Koraput district were ancient place where people started cultivation of paddy. In ancient time, it was known as Kangantara, meaning great forest, and Karundamandal, which means treasure of precious stone like Karandam. Kalahandi is full of natural beauty. It's rich in cultural heritage. In this video, we are going to know about culture, art, and history of Kalahandi. Before this, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I post any videos. Kalahandi is a rich land in culture and festival, since it is a melting point of southern Odisha and western Odisha, with a substantial tribal population. Those living in hills as well as plain land believe along with mainstream Hindu culture have made Kalahandi region rich with culture and festival. In pre-independence period, Kalahandi was largely inspired to Saivism, Vaishnavism and Shakti Puja. Shakti Puja is largely accepted among tribal, perhaps due to which Kalahandi was well known for celebrating Shakti Puja. Literally, Kalahandi means port of arts. This name has been possibly derived from Gudahandi caves containing prehistoric paintings in red and black colors. Kalahandi is a rich land in terms of art and crafts. Stone from Kalahandi is well known to make jewelry. Hapsipuri pattern is well established in handloom sari. Kalahandi has the wide varieties of dance forms comprising tribal and non-tribal dance. Among the district level in Odisha, it has the maximum dance form. Overall, Kalahandi life is associated with music and Boriasa. Noili Moli, Kola Kolik, etc. mostly found in Kalahandi. On the other hand, Ghumra, Madali, Dhandari, Dhav, etc. folk form found in Kalahandi can be composed song. There is so many local festivals that celebrated by Kalahandi people. Chhatar Jatra is a local festival that is celebrated in Bhawanipatna. Khandabasa is celebrated in Junagadh in the Lankeshwari temple. Nuakhai, a local festival presented in western Odisha. It is inspired from harvesting of new crops. Kalahandi is full of beautiful and natural places, waterfalls and many more. So let's explore it. Dhokari Chanchara is a picnic and tourist spot located in the village Koksara on the border of Kalahandi and Navarampur district. Dhokari Chanchara is famous due to its two waterfalls, Dhokari Dhara and Bhairav Dhar. In addition, the historical Gudahandi cave nearby it makes this place more prominent. The Gudahandi cave was named due to its appearance as jaggery pot. There you can see several prehistorical literatures, pictographic inscription and drawing crafted on the stone walls. The Dhokari Dhara falls from a height of 200 feet which is surrounded by beautiful stone hills. Ma Dhokari Devi is also been worshipped since a long time. 15 km from Bhawanipatna, Fulli Charan is a perennial waterfall about 30 feet in height and has a special charm of its own. The multicolored rainbow created by the sun rays falling on the scattered water particles of the fall is an amusing sight to be seen. The evergreen forest around the fall provide ample opportunities to the group picnickers. The Gudahandi Hills are situated in Kalikar. In the Gudahandi Hills, some ancient caves bearing pictographic paintings of remote antiquity, Kalikar is very out of the way place. Three small hills, all of cropped length, are together known as Gudahandi Hill. A pattern valley lies in the adjoining area of the northern and southern hill, which adds to the beauty of Gudahandi Hills. A small river named Behra flows across the hill, which houses the remain of an ancient dam believed to be built by the Bhima. Gudahandi is a famous picnic spot for the local people as well as for the visitor during winter. Asurgarh is an archaeological site in the Kalahandi district. The fort area measures 24 hectares of land. On the west of the river Sandal flows close to the western rampart towards north to meet the river Utei, a tributary of the Tel. at a distance of 3 km from the fort site. Close to the eastern ditch, the border of the fort excavated a huge water reservoir measuring 200 acres of land. It is popularly known as Asurgarh. Local believe that a Asur named Gosina Daitya used to live here, and hence the fort is called Asurgarh Fort. A huge number of people visit here to see the fort. Manikeshwari Temple in Kalahandi, located in south of Bhabanipatna. The main deity of here is Goddess Manikeshwari. She is the Ishtadevi of Nagavanshi Kshatriyas. During the Sera festival, animal sacrifices is offered at this temple. A film is also documented showing the ritual of animal sacrifice before Goddess Manikeshwari. There is many other places in Kalahandi that I don't have knowledge about. So comment on below and let me know which places I have missed. I will try to cover it in my next part.